Alright, here we go. Now we're going to blow up an egg. This is what's going to happen. It's in the microwavable safe container. Alright, can we see? Can we see? Yeah, we can see. Boom, 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 boom. We've already fucked up on this 2 times. The first time, Tom couldn't get it on camera properly. The second time, it exploded in my hands. It was scary, and I missed a little bit right there. It takes about 2 minutes, maybe a little more. We're gonna be safer with this one.
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Maybe, hopefully, it blows up in the container this time. And I am recording this time. I fucked up and didn't record the last time. And it exploded in my hand and all over my computer. And even into the living room. Just checking to make sure. So, yeah. Oh, we just a little bit of egg here. I was fucking priceless. Let's get this shit out of the bowl.
Okay, we're running back here. Boom!
You're like, oh, it opened up. I'm like, oh, okay, let me look.
You're gonna do the same this way, I think.
Hopefully it blows up in the microwave this time. Hopefully.
Well, we could do it without the container and just pick it up after.
Yeah, but that's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean up. You saw how that was right there. It was barely in the microwave.
So we keep moving shit off.
Alright, she's almost done. Here comes a moment of truth. We're gonna open this bitch up.
Again.
And it's going to blow up again. Oh shit! Shit! It blew the container wide open! This is a screw on top! Fuck! Alright, I gotta clean this up.